we're decorating Cat's face for Halloween tonight. Careful, Mex. Have fun, but don't forget we're guests in Cat's home. Oh, don't be scared, Mechanicals. It's just Cat. There's no such thing as monsters. Right, Cat?
See, Gecko. Meow, wow. Everything looks fantastico. Helena, could you hang these cobwebs on the control tower, porfa?
Go, Helena!
The next task is to hang up these ghosts.
I'll help you. We'll be right next door, Mex. Be careful.
Ooh, qué scary, Gecko.
What's that noise in the hangar? Nothing to fear, Mex. It's just the wind. Definitely not a monster.
Aye, Gecko, monsters aren't real. I'll show you.
A monster! Okay, there's no such thing as monsters. Wait, that sounds like Helena. She's all tangled up in these cobwebs.
Pobrecita. How did you get locked outside?
I see. Thank you for telling us. But remember, accidents happen when you're not being careful.
Helena can't fly if her rotor blades are tangled in the cobwebs.
To untangle Helena's rotor blades, we have to unbolt them. What tools do we need? Screwdriver, wrench! Gecko's Garage, time to fix. Gecko's Garage, let's fix this. First, we'll unscrew the cap on top to get to your blades. Ooh. Then, unbolt them with this wrench. Now, let's bolt your blades back in place, then screw the cap back on your rotor, and all done!
Gracias, Gecko and Mechanicals. Helena has a surprise outside to say thank you.
Let's go, Mex! But remember, always be careful wherever you roam, especially in a good friend's home. Hooray! Plenty of candy and not a monster in sight! Happy Halloween, everyone! Happy Halloween! It's all right, Mechanicals. It's just me, Gecko. Huh? Wait a minute. What's that funny noise? There it is again. I hope it's not a spooky Halloween ghost. Phew. Whatever it was, I think it's gone. Oh no, Mechanicals. I think the garage might be haunted. Blue. Wait a minute. Blue, move forward. The noise only happens when you move. No need to panic, shake and shriek. It's just Blue's wheel that has a squeak. A squirt of oil will help you most. And we can say, goodbye, ghost. Phew, panic over. Now we can go trick-or-treating. Happy Halloween, everyone. Bye! costumes, Mechanicals. You ready to go trick-or-treating? Sorry, Mechanicals. I have to finish Baby Truck's oil change. You go ahead. I'll catch up.
Trick or treat? Bah! You don't get any sweets unless you scare me. And I am unscarable. Rubbish! I guess I'll need to eat all these sweets by myself.
Huh? Back already? Oh, I'm sorry, Mechanicals. Wait, what's that, Baby Truck? Aha! That's a good idea.
More of those annoying trick-or-treaters. Leave me alone. I don't want...
Well done, Baby Truck. That gave him a Halloween scare, all right. Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween, everyone. We've been busy cleaning muddy vehicles so they're ready to go trick-or-treating. In you go, Molly. Wow, that's a lot of mud, hey, Mix?
Gecko! There's mud everywhere! And Sly must have a wash before we go trick-or-treating. Look, his costume is filthy.
No problem, Mr. Weasel. We'll soon have Sly looking spotless.
A monster made of mud? That's just silly.
Nuts and bolts! The car wash filter is blocked with all that mud! It's gonna blow! Look out!
Mud everywhere.
I'll need to repair the filter tank before we can clean Sly, Mr. Weasel. Mr. Weasel? Thanks for helping, Sly. We make a good team. Now it's time to reassemble these pieces of the tank. The tool I need is a welding torch. Gecko's Garage, time to fix! The heat from my welding torch will seal the metal pieces of the tank together and make it strong. Through you go, Sly, for Bubbles Wash and Dry.
This is so much fun! Hello! Yes, it's me! I am the mud monster! Oh, or I was.
Sly is squeaky clean now, Mr. Weasel. I know how much you dislike mud.
No! I love mud! Oh, there's not enough mud. Why? Oh!
Ah, he's getting into character. Bravo, Mr. Weasel. Or should I say, Mr. Wereweasel? Happy Halloween, everyone.